I'm joined by KK Shelja, first Health Minister of Kerala. Ms. Shelja, thank you for being on the Solution Summit. Ma'am, Kerala has really, in a sense, the first corona case in India came from Kerala. You have been at the forefront of battling this pandemic. It was once called a success story. Then we saw record highs. Again, cases came down and now they're going up again. What is the big lesson you'd like to tell health ministers from other states, the people who are watching tonight? How do we actually battle this pandemic the way Kerala has for over 1 year now?
As you mentioned here, Kerala had one of the long-drawn pandemic. It started in January 30th and throughout this 1 year and 2 months it is going on. The first part, we contained the virus properly and flattened the curve to the zero level. Our slogan was to delay the peak. As you all know, peak will occur. The behavior of virus is like that. It is a highly infectious virus and the peak will occur definitely. But we tried our best to delay the peak in the first phase and we had a good result out of that. And even though, as you said, the virus occurred in Kerala first, but the peak occurred the last time or later. The other states' peak occurred earlier than Kerala, but our peak occurred later. Again, we tried our best and we adopted some strategy to curb the peak. And we adopted 3 main strategies to slow down or flatten the curve. One is the break the chain campaign, the SMS campaign of that using soap or sanitizer and wearing mask and also keeping social distance. And also the reverse quarantine for above 60 people. And we adopted that strategy well. And the testing strategy also, we didn't any omission. We didn't have any omission of the symptomatic cases. In each and every symptomatic cases, we tested well. And in the periphery, in the grassroots level, we insisted our field level workers to find out each and every influenza-like illness and also severe acute respiratory infection, even severe cold or like that. And every symptomatic cases we tested well. Because of that, again we can flatten this peak or curve, and we had a good result out of that. Throughout this time, the great achievement Kerala got is our mortality rate is 0.4. The first part it is 0.5 during the first time when lockdown was there, March 24 to May 3rd, the mortality rate was 0.5. And after that, when the lockdown was lifted, the mortality rate increased slight. It go up to 0.7, and we acted well. We again worked hard to reduce the mortality rate, and we have a very good advancement in our health system capacity. We increased our ventilators and also ICU beds and even beds in the government hospitals.
I think that really
we collaborated with
key,
the private.
because in Kerala you don't see the scenes we're seeing, which we saw from Maharashtra, Mumbai, Delhi.